Hey guys, and welcome back to Simply Nail Art, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do this simple gel manicure using this cute spring nail design. As you can see, I began prepping my nails by filing them and then buffing them, and now I'm wiping them down with alcohol. Next up, I'm going to apply a gel base coat to each nail. Just as a little side note, I always make sure I end every nail by wrapping the tip because it makes the polish last longer. And now I'm going to cure them for 30 seconds. And now I'm going to go in with alcohol again, and I'm going to wipe off the sticky layer. And now for the design, I'm going to go in with this pink hard gel for every single nail. And now I'm going to cure them for another 30 seconds. And again, I'm wiping them down with alcohol. It's important to do this in between every single layer. Now for the design, I'm taking blue, and I'm going in by beginning with a French tip on my index fingernail, and I actually forgot to record the first coat, so this is the second coat of the blue. And then another French tip on my pinky fingernail. Now I'm taking white, and I'm beginning by using a dotting tool to create the flowers on my middle and ring fingernail. Next, I'm taking this tiny detail brush, and I'm just going to fill in each flower petal. And now I'm curing them before the next step. And now I'm taking yellow, and I'm going to do the center of each flower. And curing again. And now for the last part of the design, I'm beginning by taking blue, and I'm painting an arch on the tip of my middle fingernail. And now on the bottom of my ring fingernail. And now the same thing with the yellow right underneath the blue. And under that, I'm adding white. And now a stripe of purple. And for the last part of the design, I'm adding a stripe of glittery gold. And now I'm going to cure it and then add the top coat. This is after curing it one final time and then wiping it down with alcohol. Well, that is all guys. Thanks for watching. To see more videos like this, subscribe. Also leave a like if you like this video and comment down below any designs you want to see me do in the future. Thanks. Bye.